Oh my God, my throat is killing me. Tim Sykes, what's up? The market just opened. I've been trying to get this video stupid software to work for a while. This is E-Trade Pro. I can't even get stocks to trade work. I'm on really bad Wi-Fi in the middle of Asia. It's 10:30 p.m. right now. I've been up since 4 in the morning. NAKD is the big winner so far today. Nice morning spike. As I just said in chat, I'd be selling into this spike if I was long overnight. Some of you guys really nailed it, making 50 cents, a dollar, $1.50 a share. This is best case scenario. This is what penny stocks are all about. I chose DFFN, which, isn't too bad. It's around 520. You saw me buying it yesterday. If you watch my live video in the 460s, 470s, I have taken profits. Let me try to find my screen. One sec. Here is my little E-Trade trade right here where I bought it at 468, sold it pre-market this morning at 545. Oh, here it is at 540 again. So this is running, and this is another good case. Maybe not as good as NAKD. This very much reminds me of a few weeks ago when I bought CUR overnight, and I sold a little too soon, and everybody else was long BIOC, and that was the big spiker. So everybody who chose NAKD, congrats. I mean, this is just beautiful. I still had a good profit on DFFN, and this is a good trade. It's a pretty good opportunity. CERU is also spiking right now, but I don't trust it. PXLW is spiking, but it's fading a little off its highs, and PULM looks to be just like a little bounce. It's fading a little bit. Oh, come on, load. So NAKD, wow, look at that big crack off the highs. 50, 60, 70 cents a share off the highs. This is why you got to sell into strength right at the market open. No matter where you are in the world, it doesn't matter. The patterns, are the same for everybody, no matter what time zone you're trading from. So congrats to NAKD longs. I mean, my whole chat room is loving it. NAKD up to 6. Don't see why it wouldn't. What the fuck? Why are you so aggressive? This is best case scenario. Stop being greedy. I mean, it might hit 6, but don't say like, oh, don't see why it wouldn't. It will go all the way to 6. Oh, why stop at 6? Why not go to 100? I mean, this is a good trade. Great job. This is in my chat room right now. Beautiful. Look at this. D Sigmon just made 1,300. And he's thanking me. Thank you. Thank you for being dedicated. There's so many more people. Mike, look at that, making 700. He's thanking Chicago. Demetrius made $1 a share. J Snake made $1.50 a share. I'm giving everybody karma. Benavidice, I don't know how to pronounce your thing. You made $1.40. Everyone making money, it's really tough not to make money. Sell into the morning spike. Take the meat of the move. Don't worry about catching the exact top. Look at this guy. Clip me. Awesome. Anyways, so NAKD, great overnight play. DFFN, are you kidding me? 680? Holy crap. And I'm bragging about my, look at this. This is hilarious. DFFN going big time now. LOL, I made 3K. Now it'd be more like 10K. I'm not worried. This is exactly why I wanted to buy DFFN, because it can spike like this, okay? And I was selling it in here, all pre-market in the 5s, really happy, but this is what can happen on the first green day. So even though I sold too soon, I don't mind. I don't mind catching the exact top. Exactly what I just said to, who was it? Solomon J. I mean, I was talking about NAKD here. But I said sell into the morning spike, take the meat of the move, don't worry about catching the exact top. So I didn't worry about DFFN. Let me see if I can find my executions. Hold on. These were my executions this morning on DFFN. I'm locked in roughly 2,400 at Interactive Brokers and another few hundred at E-Trade. So roughly $3,000 profit overnight. You can see me selling in the 570s, 540s. Probably didn't have to sell these in the 510s, but frankly, I'm just not feeling well and I just want to go to sleep. But this is exactly what can happen on day 2. Okay, this is not the first time that it's had 2 green days in a row. Last time it had 2 green days in a row also. So dare I say it, penny stocks are predictable. Surprise. I made 50 cents a share. Well, no, maybe like 70 cents a share. And now this is $2 a share. So I took like roughly 1/3 of the potential profits. And I definitely would be selling now. You don't chase this. Congrats to all DFF longs. Please don't be chasing now, though. This is the time to sell into strengths. Look at this. D Raven just made 2,000. Oh my God. I have a feeling I'm not going to bed right away. I gotta give everybody props. But this is what can happen, especially on a Friday morning. Just awesome. Awesome, awesome delayed morning spike. This didn't happen right at the open. At the market open, it was like 520, 530. The big spike happened, right here, like 9:32, 9:33 in the morning. But anyways, you can't say, I did not say that this could happen. Yesterday, you saw my live trades. I specifically said I was looking for a big second day, green day spike. I got it. I got out a little too soon. I still made $3,000. Today, I was actually visiting charities. This one charity can save a child's life for $4,000. And the kids don't have the money for the treatment. So $4,000 can literally save a child's life. And I made $3,000 today. So I'm happy with that. But look at this. This just keeps going. Shorts are insane right now. Some shorts are like, this is junk. There's no fundamentals. You should never buy this stuff. Yo, shorts, wake the fuck up, okay? These stocks are spiking. I don't care about your reasoning. I don't care about fundamentals. They're not spiking on fundamentals, first of all, okay? We need to get rid of the debate, like, do these stocks have fundamentals? No, they have no fundamentals. No penny stock has any fundamentals. That's not what drives prices, okay? It's momentum, charts, short squeezes. So congrats to everybody on DFFN. I played it pretty damn safely, and I still made $3,000. Let's say I was selling right now at 650. I guess it would be like another $1 a share. Yeah, I'd make about 10 grand. It's not the end of the world. Now it's coming down. So NAKD, by the way, is coming down too. The key, especially on Fridays, is to sell into the morning spike. And I would have been happy, at 4 or 420, as I said, right near the market open on NAKD. You don't have to necessarily wait for that delayed morning spike up to 470. You capture the meat of the move and you don't worry about the rest. Same goes true with DFFN. But pretty cool that, sometimes I spot like the first or the second. Oh my God, I have so many tweets coming through. This is going to be ridiculous. Let me see if these tweets, come on, load. Load. Oh my God, I hate slow Wi-Fi. At least you can see it. I'm not making this up. This is just Twitter trying to load. Maybe it's Twitter. Oh, my percent gainers disappeared. Anyways, NAKD and DFFN were the two biggest percent gainers, and that's what I was talking about yesterday. I was scared to buy NAKD overnight, so I play things ridiculously safely, and that's fine. There's time for that. Okay, look at this. Here's Sarah Ping, paper traded NAKD, in at 360 out of 457. She needs to buck up and do it for real. It's fine. It's fine if you want to practice. You learn. If you witness it, you learn. If you paper trade, you learn. RH has got it. He made nearly $1 a share. I just want you to see what kind of strategy I'm teaching here. Sniper Trades made 2,100. We're not right all the time, but when we are, it's pretty sweet. You'll see, this is exactly what I do. And I'm sorry yesterday, you know, so many of you guys tweeted at me, I didn't even catch like half of you. David, in at 274, out at 434. Wow. Nice. Taking the meat of the move there. That is awesome. Oh, I got another one just now. Look at how happy everybody is. Dante. Been watching my trader checklist guide. Making 600 bucks. Beautiful. Here's DRYS. Hey, DRYS is spiking too. Sweet. It's important for you guys to see that it's not just me. You know, you guys can do this too. There's no special anything required, especially on these longs. You know, short, some of them are gimmies, but you have to have a special broker. You have to find shares to short. I'm going to go to bed in a little bit. Thank you guys for all your concern. But between charity and teaching and trading and time zones and traveling, I'm a little overwhelmed. Junti made 224. You need to see this. You need to see how many people are doing this. Okay? Junti does two things in life. He trades and he does sit-ups. Look at those abs. Okay? I'm jealous of his abs. Benjamin made 60 bucks in 1 minute. I still can't get over it. Surprise! It's real. It's always fun when people realize like this is all real. Some people think like I'm just making up these students and like making up these stocks and like changing the price action. Like, oh, you somehow changed the price action and you're manipulating the video into making us think that you saw it ahead of time. I didn't buy NAKD, okay? I thought that it was too scary, but a lot of other people are more aggressive than me, and that's fine. I will teach you the safe way. First gain ever, 3 losses, but I kept studying and it finally worked. Look at this, just 100 shares, okay? And I'm not a big fan of this, like buying right at the open, but you know, it can work, especially on Fridays. You have to remember, Fridays are the best day for spikes. Robert's in Asia too, and he's exhausted. Yeah, Robert, I feel ya. I feel ya. Dylan doesn't watch TV before work, and at the end of the day is watching DVDs. Good. Studying pays off. These are all tweets in the last like 20 minutes. Look at this. Tanner made 80% on his account, made back his losses in 1 trade. Gonna stay disciplined. That's what it comes down to. You know, I had some losses earlier this week because I was undisciplined. I went to bed. I just left the position, you know, unattended, and I lost $2,000 on OSTK. And now, you know, with DFFN, it was a very specific and meticulous trade, and I made back all the losses and more. DFFN is coming down. So this, you know, this morning spike is best case scenario. NAKD, this morning spike is best case scenario. So you have to learn to sell into strength or be long overnight. Mark is taking the meat of the move. I know you want to just see my trades, but it's important that you see that every other person can do this too. I did not touch NAKD. Okay, so some people are going to be like, oh, Sykes, you pumped it. I did not touch it. These are students doing it all on their own, and they're self-sufficient, and I love it. Paper trading, building confidence. And don't feel bad if you're paper trading. Okay, we all start somewhere, and you have to practice. Stocks to Trade has great, you know, paper trading. Look at this. Milos made 940 paper trading. What's the position? Probably NAKD. I don't even know. Jay is at Starbucks. That's pretty sweet. You can do this from anywhere. So I try to tweet at everybody. There's more. I need to stop. There's so many more tweets. This is all in the last hour. I have 12 new tweets since I started doing this video. I could just tweet at everybody. Biggest profit yet. I can spend my whole day tweeting at you guys. But I really am proud, and I want you to see this, you know, and I want you to see that it's not just a few special millionaire students. Like, people think, oh, you just tell like your insiders how to do this. No, I teach it to everybody. I'll change it up. Instead of saying awesome, I'll say great job. You don't tell anybody, you know, my picks ahead of time. There's no special club where they get the picks and the other people don't. Like, I teach openly. Irving doubled his money on NAKD. Anton. Most people, you know, didn't even want. Oh God, what's wrong with my Twitter? Retweet. Oh well. As long as you guys can see it, and even if you have a small account, look at Jesus. He put in 82 bucks and he came out with 124 bucks. Okay, you show me where you're. Oh God, I can't even tweet. My Wi-Fi is fading. You show me anywhere else where you can make this kind of money, all literally overnight. Most people stay away from penny stocks because they think that this stuff is unpredictable. If there's anything that hopefully I can teach you is that these patterns happen again and again and again. Not every time, okay? I want to be very clear about that, but it does happen quite often. So leave a comment below this video and with the word morning spike. 2 words, because that's what all of these are. These are all morning spikes. NAKD, CERU, DFFN. These are morning spikes. Oh, and Hamish likes my $1 million donation. Thanks. And it's my honor, you know, and I'm sorry some of you guys have wished me well for that, and I haven't gotten time. I've been a little busy. Anyways, I'm going to stop talking now because my throat really is killing me. I do want to go to sleep. I'm in Asia just for another few days. I'll post photos and videos eventually, but it takes time. Give me a break. DFFN, huge winner. Even after this $1 a share drop, I sold too soon. NAKD, great winner for so many of you guys. I totally missed that. I still made $3 grand overnight on, what did I have roughly invested? I had like 5,000 shares. So I invested roughly like 23,000. All right, let's do some math. I was in 474 was my average. And I had roughly 5,000 shares. So I invested 23,700 and I made roughly $3 grand today. That's pretty good. Okay, so NAKD, you could have done even better. Yesterday, if you remember, or I was kind of thinking that it was scary, but it just kept going and you got the morning spike. So this is best case scenario. Congrats to everybody. Look at this. There's going to be more tweets too. 4 more tweets. It just keeps coming. Trevor says, thank you. I just remembered your big win in college and put that into play. Yes, exactly. When I had a $100,000 overnight winner on a upcoming media play. The difference, though, I do have to say with NAKD is that they weren't getting featured for their amazing technology. They're on Home Shopping Network. So it's not like this is like some amazing company and amazing media. It's just the market that we're in, where even if you're on Home Shopping Network, your stock can spike. A lot of it is due to those over-aggressive short sellers. You know, there are multiple chat rooms and websites dedicated to saying how these companies are all junk. And they can make money. I mean, look at this. This thing is $1 a share off its highs. DFFN is now $1 a share off its highs, if this loads. So there is money on the short side, but there's so much less stress money on the long side, especially on Friday morning spikes. So anyways, leave a comment with the words morning spike if you understand this and you appreciate this, I'm gonna go get some sleep. Congrats, everybody. What a way to finish the week, right?